How to use the Hoover Powerdash carpet cleaner. You'll start by filling up the clean water tank with water and cleaning solution. The tank has two fill lines on the side, one for water and the other for cleaning solution. Once filled, screw the cap back on and place the tank on the back of the carpet cleaner. The Powerdash has two foot pedals, one for the handle release and the other for power. Press the handle release to move the handle into the working position. Now press the power button to turn the cleaner on and off. When on, the agitator brush will start automatically. However, to dispense water and cleaning solution, you will need to pull the red trigger beneath the handle. Water and solution will dispense while holding the trigger and will stop when the trigger is released. Pull the trigger to dispense water and solution while pushing the Powerdash forward and backward to clean and wash the area. Then release the trigger and push the Powerdash forward and backward over the same area to extract the cleaning solution and any stain or dirt along with it. You can repeat this process as needed until you are satisfied with the results. I typically like to do 2 to 3 passes for the cleaning and 3 to 4 passes to extract. I like to go nice and slow so that the vacuum can get as much liquid up as possible. Keep a close eye on the head of the Powerdash to see how much liquid is coming up. When finished, the carpet will be slightly damp to the touch but should not be sopping wet. All that's left to do is empty the dirty water container. To do this, you will press the red handle down on the back of the tank, tilt the tank slightly and pull it out. On the side, there's a rubber plug which you will remove and empty the contents of the container. Now you can fill it with clean water and rinse any remaining debris that did not come out the first time. Do this a few times as needed until it's clean. You can also remove the nozzle cover on the front of the cleaner and rinse that as well. While the nozzle cover is off, I also like to grab any clumps of hair or debris that might be around the agitator brush in the head of the cleaner. The Powerdash can now be stored until you need it again. If you like clean carpets and want to see other carpet cleaning options, I suggest you watch this video about the Hoover Clean Slate portable carpet cleaner now.